Hello everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. This is an introduction video of signals and systems. First let us start with signals. What is a signal? Signal is a physical phenomenon like sound, light, temperature, pressure, etc. that changes with time, or we can say signal is a time varying physical phenomenon. Time varying physical phenomenon. It will be carrying some information in it. So signal is intended to convey some kind of information. When you plot a signal, it will be like this. A signal can have any shape. It can be triangular, sinusoidal, parabolic, exponential, etc. Here the signal considered is a sinusoidal signal. X of t is a physical quantity that is measured and x of t varies with time. It will be having different values at different time. So signal is a function of time. So that is a signal. Now let us see what is a system. System is a device or combination of devices that will operate on the signals and produce corresponding response. This is a system. To this system you give an input signal, or it is also called excitation. When you give the input signal, different systems will respond to this input signal in different ways, and they will give an output signal. So this output signal is also called the response of a system. That is, it shows how the system will respond to the input signal. Consider a system. So a system takes a signal as input. It can be x of t or x of n. X of t is a continuous time signal and x of n is a discrete time signal. So it can be either x of t or x of n. So you give x of t or x of n at the input. The system takes the input, modifies and processes it, and produces an output signal y of t or y of n. So the system is mathematically modeled by an operator like this. This operator, it operates on the input signal and gives you the output signal. So you can represent a system as y of t is equal to h of x of t, or y of n is equal to h of x of n. So this is a representation that is given to a system. Examples of systems are: an electronic circuit is a type of system in which voltage or current is given to the input and you measure the voltage or current at the output. Mechanical structures like buildings, bridges, etc. are another type of system. Here the force applied on the structure can be taken as an input signal, and the vibration that is produced as a result of it can be measured as the output signal. Communication systems, biomedical systems, all these are different types of systems. So that is the meaning of the term signals and system. This is the introduction session on signals and system. If you would like to watch more videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Subscription is totally free. Thank you.